OSTEN everywhere, okay? Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, OSTEN. Just log in and subscribe from my YouTube channel, then follow all my social media platforms, okay? Now, so the only proven way how to boost your trading strategy. Now, one thing I want to take you through is that a lot of you guys say that how can you boost your trading strategy? Okay, guys. Now, how to boost your trading strategy? So the first thing you want to do, how to boost your trading strategy, is that you have to learn how to backtest. Okay, guys. When you learn how to backtest your strategy, that's the only way of boosting your trading strategy. So without backtesting your strategy, there's no way you're gonna become a trader. Okay, guys. The only way of becoming a trader is by backtesting your strategy. Every week you have to backtest and you have to see your setups, how your setups were moving. Okay, guys. So to become a trader, you don't need to first get a laptop, money, or what. No, you only have to first learn a solid skill. You have to build your strategy step by step with confidence. Okay, guys, learn how to build your strategy. So no matter which kind of strategy you're using, there are those who use indicators, there are those who use MACD, Bollinger Bands, there are those who use SMC. As long as you're profitable. So at the end of the day is to make profits in the business, because the major aim of the business is to make profit. Okay, guys, so your profits should be bigger than the losses. Okay, guys, so as usual, so I'm going to show you the best proven strategy that will work for you. Okay, guys, the best proven strategy that's gonna work for you in the market. This video applies for both beginners and both experienced traders, and this strategy has worked for me over and over time again. Whenever I see it, I always use it. Okay, guys. Now, so my strategy is as usual. Strategy is as usual. Okay, guys. I mostly use the 30-minute time frame because I mostly use it for confirmation and entries. Okay, guys. So, guys, for us, we are intraday traders. We are not swing traders. Okay, yeah. We only trade what we see. Okay, guys. Yeah. To make money in Forex, you don't need to understand what's going to happen in the future to make money today. Yo, every day you come to the market, just trade what you see. Okay, guys. Now, this market, as you can see it. As you can see this market, okay, as you can see this market, so now you can begin with the 4-hour chart. So it's a 4-hour chart, guys. Okay, 4-hour chart, as you can see. So but don't forget to watch my next video about the most proven strategy that can make you money. Okay, guys, and it's 99% accuracy. So for today's video, I'm going to first show you how to draw a valid support zone and how to draw a valid resistance zone. Okay, guys, yeah. So to draw a valid support zone, the zone should be touched at least 2 times. Now, I can first teach you this. Okay, guys, allow me to teach you this. So, support or resistance area, you should have to see something like this. Touch, first touch, second touch. Okay. So, this is my resistance up. Okay, guys. So, my resistance should look like this. Should be touched at least 2 times. So my resistance should look like this. This is a resistance. Why am I calling it a resistance zone? It is a resistance zone because price came and bounced off the roof. I can call it a roof. Then came, retraced, came back and bounced off. It effect out. Then it came, then it started dropping. Okay, guys. So at this point up, at this point, At this point up now, it becomes a what? At this point up here, this is the first zone, the second touch. So at this zone up, this is called a resistance line. Okay, guys, this is a resistance line. For a resistance zone now, it will be from here up to here. This is a resistance line or resistance zone. This area here, this is a resistance. What is a resistance? A resistance is like now in the real world, when we say resistance, something that's blocking you from going up. Resistance in layman understanding, something that's blocking your way. Okay, guys. So this price, when it came, it was being blocked. Okay, it stopped it from climbing up. Okay, guys. Resistance, we can mean it as a rooftop. Okay, guys. Then our support, we can mean it as a floor. Okay, guys. So resistance is at the roof. Price, whenever price comes to that roof, it is not being allowed to jump over the roof. Okay, guys. That's a resistance. Okay, guys. Price is not being allowed to jump over that roof. Okay. Yeah, that means that this is a stronger resistance zone. Okay, guys. So if I do like this, my zone, okay, this is a strong resistance zone. I can see, you can see it clearly. Yeah, this is a strong resistance zone. Okay, guys. Yeah, resistance is where, I can repeat it, resistance, we can mean it as a rooftop, where price is being rejected from going in an up direction or from going in an uptrend. Whenever price is being stopped from going up, then that means that there is resistance. But support is a flow where price is bouncing off from the floor. Whenever price is bouncing off from the floor, that's a support. Price bouncing back, price bouncing from the top roof, that's a resistance. So a resistance, whoever is writing, okay, this is an academy. This is KAJO FX Academy. I'm the CEO. This is Kujan Hussein. So a resistance, whoever is writing, a resistance is a rooftop where price bounces from the rooftop. Is a zone where price, whenever price is bouncing from the rooftop, that's a resistance. Then a support, price is bouncing from the floor, bouncing off the floor, bouncing from at the rooftop, that's resistance. Okay, guys. So now our support, guys, I've finished to show you how to do a resistance. Okay, guys, we only look for at least 2 touches. Okay, guys. Now I want to show you our support, how our support will look like. Our support will look like, support, we also have to find at least 2 touches, and for a valid support zone, we must have at least 2 touches. Okay, price came, it collected the liquidity here, it fell, then it went up. Okay, now for this zone here, how to draw now this? When you see this kind of chart, you just look for at least 2 touches. This is the first touch on your left, 1, 2. Then you mark. Okay, so this is a zone. This is a strong support zone. Whenever price came there, it was just bouncing off from the floor. Okay, guys, price bouncing off from the floor, that's a strong support zone. Price bouncing off from the roof, that's a strong resistance zone. As simple as that. Okay, guys, we are in class. So this is a strong support zone. So in this zone, that's our support, is where buyers are, and in support zone is where we buy. This is where buyers are. Okay, guys, so as simple as that. So let us go to the real charts. The real charts now. Guys, don't be scared to learn Forex. Forex is good as long as you're willing to put in the work. Okay, So as simple as that. So who can see what I'm seeing now on our charts? Now we have this. So at the first mark out, the first touch, this is the first touch and the second touch on our left. This is the previous price, this is the recent price. So we mark out this zone, just draw it. Our resistance is there. So this is the rooftop. Price was rejected at the rooftop and started falling down. Okay, guys. Then another thing, what we see here, we shall look for a support zone. Now a support zone, we have to look at least 2 times. Okay, guys, at least 2 touches. So support zone on our left here, we have this. Okay, on our left we have that. Okay, on our left we have that. Price came. So in this zone, as you can see, price was being tested. Let us change the color. So up here you can see this is purple. So how to draw resistance and support in the 4-hour time frame. So this is now. So the first point here, up here, is our resistance zone. Okay, guys, our resistance zone. Up here is our resistance zone. Price came and touched the first time and the second time. This was a rejection, a strong rejection, 2 times the rejection, and at the rooftop. So our support zone, this is the first time and the second time, but this is a fake out. Okay, this is a fake out, a sell fake out. It's a fake out. Okay, guys, there was a break, but it's a fake out of a sell. So many sellers will stop from here, and there was a liquidity collection. Okay, guys, that's why it faked out. So it came back and bounced again, forming now 3 touches. That's the first time, second touch, the third. Now the third time, price shoot up the rooftop. So price bouncing off from the floor, that's a strong support zone. Okay, then price bouncing off the rooftop, that's okay. As simple as that. Okay, guys, the same thing applies to 30-minute time frame or 1 hour. You can just check your charts. Okay, guys, just check your charts, don't be scared. Okay, price was bouncing off. This is the first touch, second touch. Okay, guys, as simple as that. So for today's video, let us stop here. I hope you have learned something. So today's assignment, I'm going to give you an assignment. Just go on your charts. If you're a beginner, just learn how to draw support and resistance. A valid support zone is where price has been